The motor came in, the customer had been trying to figure out a problem himself, and he narrowed it down to a fuel problem, and he disabled the selector switch back there. He disabled the fuel water separator, and was running just on this tank with this line. And if you look in there, you can see that's all wadded up. So it was pulled off of a fitting and pushed back on a fitting and clogged that line. So he was saying he couldn't get any RPMs out of it, just falling on his face under heavy load. So we replaced that defective liner line and just ran one hose from the tank to the motor, and it took a while for us to figure out what was going on with it, but it was only under load, so it was time to run the dyno on it. So we've got on the dyno right now. Go ahead and start it, bring it up to power. So it's got high end power now. It's got a little stumble on mid-range, but the top end where it's bogging down was because it had a fuel restriction in the line. The only way we figured that out is put it under full load with the dyno, but it seems that solved it.